Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For those who have not subscribed to my channel till now, should subscribe immediately and please watch the video till end. In this video, I will explain about variables, expressions and a print statement. First, we are going to see about variables. A variable is an identifier which holds a value. In a programming, value is assigned to a variables. Variables hold a different kind of data and some variables might hold different values during the execution of a program. A variable can be used to define a name of an identifier. An identifier is a name used to identify a variable, functions, class, modules or other objects. In previous video, I was briefly explained about identifiers. If you wanted, please refer that. Next, declaring variables. Variables are declared according to the Python character set. A variable is declared to hold some value. Variables are examples of identifiers. Next, we are going to see about rules for naming the variables. Variable names can be uppercase letters or lowercase letters. Variable names can be at any length, not limited. They can contain both letters and numbers, but they cannot begin with the numbers. The underscore character can appear in a name. It is often used in names with multiple words. No blank spaces are allowed between variable names. A variable cannot be any of the keywords or special characters. Next, very important thing is variable names are case sensitives. Next, creating a variables. The assignment statement assign a value to a variable. The usual assignment operator is equal to, here the syntax for creating a variable equal to expressions. Here variable is an identifier and expression is an expressions. The meaning of the assignment is that the expression on the right side is evaluated to produce a value which is then associated with the value named on the right side. And here the example for the creating a values n equal to 10 and name equal to Kamakshi. Next, expressions. An expression is a combination of values, variables and operators. Expression combine variables and constant to produce a new value. A value by itself is considered an expression. Here the example for expressions a into b plus c, where multiplication and plus are operators and a, b, c are operands. Next, the types of expressions based on the position of operators in an expressions. The second one is based on the type of result obtained on evaluating an expressions. Based on the position of operators in an expressions, Python support three types of expressions. There are infix expression, postfix expression, prefix expression. In infix expressions, the operator is placed in between the operands. Example, a equal to b plus c. Next, prefix expressions, the operator is placed before the operands. Example, a equal to plus bc. Postfix expression, the operator is placed after the operands. For example, a equal to bc plus. Next, based on the type of result obtained on evaluating an expressions, Python support four types of expressions: arithmetic expressions, relational expressions, logical expression, conditional expression. First, we see about arithmetic expressions. These types of expressions just do mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Here the example for arithmetic expressions. Here c equal to a plus b is an expression which does a mathematical operation using a plus operator for two operands a and b. The assignment statement are called as an expressions. Next, relational or conditional expressions. This expression compares two statements using relational operators like greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, etc. Here two values 10 and 20 are compared with the relational operator and store the result into the C. Next, logical expressions. The logical expression uses the logical operators like and, or, not. The logical expressions also produce a Boolean result like either true or false. Here, logical expression combined two relational expressions with a logical operator, and that is the result of a greater than b is a false and the result of c greater than d is true. So the final result is false. Next, conditional expressions. The conditional expression is also called as a relational expressions. This expression is used with the branching like if else etc and looping while statement. A conditional expression always produces two results, either true or false, depend on the conditions. Here the example for the conditional expressions: age equal to input of you enter your age, or age equal to 20 if a equal to greater than or equal to 18. If you are if age equal to greater than or equal to 18, print you can vote. Here the statement if a greater than or equal to 18 is a conditional expression. Next, print statement. The print statement takes a series of values separated by commas. Each value is converted into a string then printed. The print statement recognizes a few commands used to format input. These are termed escape sequence and are written as a character following a backslash. The most common escape character is the new line character /n. This moves the output to a new line. Next, tab character /t move the output to the next tab. Stop. Thank you for watching this video. If any comments, please post it on comment box.